Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in the last video we have covered about what is list object in this sheet object thing. So in this video we will cover almost all the thing, what is statistics box, multi-box, what is table box. So apart from this chart, we will cover this chart in further video because it consists of other lot of things that we need to cover about. So we'll see this chart in further videos. We'll cover input box here, we'll cover complete current selection box, see what is button and what is test object and what is line arrow. So apart from this, mostly these are not used in so frequently, so we're not going to see why they are used for. So let's start with this statistics box. So in statistics box, what you can do is you can choose what the functionality you want here. So and consist of, and like by default it consists count, sum, average, minimum, maximum. You can take median, you can take skewness, standard deviation, missing count, everything. So you just have to select one column. Let's select like total profit and apply OK. So now you can see here we have total count, we have sum, we have average, what is minimum, what is maximum. And if you want to filter it across year, so if you want to see most recent one like 2017, so for 2017 we have 45 total count and this much, and like it's same if you want to see 16, 14. If you want to see like both 16 and 70, what you have to do is just select 16 and press Control and press 2017 also. It will take combination of both. So yes, let's remove this filter also. And like how you can remove it, if you click the filter again it will remove, otherwise there is an option called clear here. If you click clear, it will clear all the filters. So this is about statistical box. Let's move to this multi-box. So multi-box is same like a list box, but like an advanced version of it. So just for a demo purpose, let's take channel and let's take month, let's take date and press OK. So it sort of look like this, and it's same like this filter. What you have to just, if you click any here, if you click here or here, it will work both as the same way. If you click here, it will ask you offline or online. Is both are the option. If I select offline, and if I select filter also from here, I can select July. I can which date. So here in July date I want like 10th of July. So now you can see, right, it's filtered according to the same thing, like 2010 710 July offline, and this is the total profit. So it's a multiple filter, and list is also used for sort of filtering, and it's a multiple filter you can use. Is the like uses is both uses are same, list and multi list. So for now let me clear it out. Let's move to table box. So what is table box? So table box is simple, as the name suggests. You can show multiple table here. It's like if I want to use add channel, or you can add multiple by using shift down arrow. If I use shift down, I can select all of them almost. So let me select all of them here. Yep. Now add all, you can use add all without selecting it. I'm just pressing add, so it has added all. Press OK. Now you have a table here. So if you can extend it as per your need, so I will drag it here so that guys can see other part also here. Yep. So now you can see all of the column. So it's sort of basic table here. So we'll talk more about this table, because in the chart property we have different type of table, two different type of table that we'll talk about. And apart from this, we have covered list, statistics box, multi-box, table box. Now chart we'll cover in the next part. Let's move to another list object. So input box is doesn't used as much, because the most of the works are done under this text object. So test objects is basically like how you write everything. If you write anything like this is a demo, So if you write like this, it will create a basic demo sort of title. You can transparent it, so go to properties, go to image convert and put it 100% transparent. Now you can see this is demo, it's as in like an image, and the back is transparent. Now you can do the same thing, like drag it anywhere. And how you can use this test object is just go to new sheet object, create a text object, and create a blank text object and change the color to whatever color you want. Like I want green. Okay, and what you can do is you can just put it somewhere and just adjust the size, so you can make a good visuals out of it. So now you can see this is how it's taking. So you can make a border where you will keep the filter here. You can make a sideline here with this list object. So this is interesting. You can like experiment more on this. You have something called current selection box. So in current selection box shows you what is selected. So if I press OK, so it is blank right now. It means that we have not selected anything. So if I start making selection like 2010, order year equals to 2010, if I select the channel as online, now it's filtering all the data for channel online and year order 2010. Let me select the month also. So for the month of like April, so now we have 3 selection made. So this is shows what are the selection made in this whole page. So this is very beneficial when you have to see like what are the filters selected across this whole page. And apart from this, you can use this line object. So line arrow object are one interesting object to just separate everything. So what you can do is just go here, arrow style, let it be, yeah. So and you can choose the color, like I want to choose as blue. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, and okay, so now as you can see that this is the line. What I can do is just put this line here and go to properties, make it image, make 100% transparent. Now you can see this is basic simple line, and just draw it across. So this is a division. So you can divide everything here. You can make horizontal line, you can make vertical line. So yeah, this is how it works. So these are the most important object sheets across everything. And in button, so in button you just have to add a button and you can add action item. So what I can do is like clear, go to action, add an action here, and what I want to choose the action, I want to clear, instead of using this clear button I want to use like clear all. So here selection made and clear all. Okay, and when you apply it, just press OK. Let me drag it here. So if I press, see all the 2000, these are the selection made there, right? If I press clear here, everything is cleared, like no filters has been selected. So button can be used as a trigger. So we will talk more about triggers, like how you can set triggers here. So this is also one trigger that we have set in this button, that whenever this button is clicked, it should clean all the selection made. So these are the all the important ones, sheet objects that we need to cover in this video, because these are the most widely used. So if you have any doubt about any of the sheet objects, you can comment down below, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.